Hello guys, good day and welcome to another video. So this is what we'll be doing today, showing you how to make this
face masks. Okay, I don't know if you guys hear what I've said so far. Welcome to another video. So what we'll be doing today is how to make this face masks you are seeing here. I have ton of bits and the template I've made so far, but I would like to show you guys how you can make it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys stay safe, stay at home, and go nowhere. You can make this with your machine at home. So without no further ado, let's go to it.
and we'll see you on the other side after we are done with it.
So guys, welcome to this short video I'm going to make right now. So the face mask we are talking about is this particular one here. I have done a lot of it we've made since last year, not knowing something like this is going to happen. You know, in different texture and different design we have it, even the black one. So what do you need to make this your face mask? The first thing you will need is the template. I have the one I designed just a little bit here. So this one you see rope here is going to represent the strap, the elastic band, which is this here, and this is the height of the material, 5 inch, and this is the width, which is 7 inch. You cut it the way this is like this before you start shaping. So without no further ado, let's go to it. So what are you going to need to start making this? You need your melter roll or any of your rolls. You need a lining to use as the filter inside so that you can breathe a fresh air like this. You see, you need a lining, a thick lining. As you can see, this is very thick. The same thing to this is very thick as well. So other than that, you need your taping rope. Use this to tape inside of bag and everything so that your work will look nice the way this is here. And so the next thing we are going to need now is the material we want to use. The material, as you can see, this one here. So you turn your material backward for you to get what you are looking for. And as you can see, I have one here I've cut. This is 4 inch. 4 inch. Up here is 4 inch, and this is 7 inch. What you do is just to shape this side, shape here, and shape here. And as you can see from the measurement I'm showing here, if you measure this place, this is 1.5. Here is 3. This is 3 inch, and here is 2.5. Then here is 1.2, 1.1 for the record being said. So what you are going to do first is you cut this out. So I would have loved to sew a new one for you guys to see, but I'm short of supply. I don't have this rubber band. I would have make it, sew it on the machine so that you can see. But I hope you guys by now you already know how to sew. So from the explanation, you can make this at home yourself, whether with machine or without machine. I'm going to even do another one with Ankara fabrics, where you guys see how to make it without your sewing machine. So the first thing you do, as we said earlier, is you measure 7 inch. These are 7 inch. You measure 4 inch. This is our 4 inch. Here, 4 inch. 4 inch. Then you measure the 7 inch, and this is our 7 inch. I'm trying to zoom in to see if you guys can see it clearly. So this is the 7 inch. make sure everything is accurate, then you rule it out. These are 4-inch, 4x7. So after you are done with this 4x7, you've measured it and it's accurate. Then the next thing you are going to do, you start measuring. You share this into 2. You know, this is 7, which is 3.5. This is 3.5 here. If you want to rule, if you decide not to rule, you rule this out, and here is and here is 7-inch, right? The other side is 2, which is 4. You measure your 2. You measure your 2. So this is what we need exactly. So for instance, if you want to get something like this one I show you here, which here is 2.5, 2.5. For you to get that, you start measuring. Let's say you want this place to be the down. This is the down. The down is 2.5. If you want the down to be 2.5, you share your 2.5 into 2, and your 2.5 into 2 is going to give you here. You show the center, then you do. This is your 2.5. Then this place is 2-inch. This is your 2-inch. You put this at 1. Then you measure. This is 2-inch. This is your 2-inch. Then again at the other side, we say we also want 2.5, and this is 2.5. This where it's going to be. Measure the 2.5 here. The same thing applicable to this side as well. This is 1. Okay, this is 6. This is 2.5. So after you are done with what I did here, so the next thing you are going to do now is for you to just measure. You measure like this. You do it this way. You do it this way. And the next one, you do it this way as well. So as you can see, we already got the shape you want to use. So, and if you decide, like this particular template you are seeing here is 2. So you measure from the down. Here you measure your 2.5. You measure inward. There's no particular measurement of where you want it to be. So this is your 2. You just go. You measure your 2 this way. You measure your 2 this way as well. So this is all. This is all. After you finish, after you cut out this, you also cut it the same shape on your lining or maybe your filter material. And after you've cut that, then you take your machine. Here you are going to cut out 10-inch of this. And if it's you want to use it for kit, just cut out 10-inch. If you want to use it for kit, you just tie the rope. Where there is one I tied here, tie the rope as this. You reduce it if it's for kit. Then we have our taping rope. Use it to tape the edge round. You start sewing, and this particular place we shape now is just here. You measure 2 for it to give you the shape to cover your nose and your mouth very well. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Thanks for watching the video as well, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.